Hi everybody, welcome to our little backyard garden tour. It's October, it's sunny, and it's a nice day here in Malmesbury, Western Cape, South Africa. So this is what we currently have in the garden. So first up, potatoes. We love to grow potatoes, and it's one of the easiest crops to grow for us. Next up, we've got some delicious strawberries. We've had these plants for a couple of years now already, and they keep on producing every summer, which is awesome. Next up, peas. Oh, we've got so many growing on here. Next up, we've got some sweetcorn seedlings. So I actually started a bit late last year with my sweetcorn plants. So hopefully this year they'll be ready in time. Then some tomatoes, which actually just popped up when I filled it with our homemade compost in this raised bed. Some nice curly kale, as you can see the birds love them as well. Then some beets as well. As you can see, you can grow lots of beets in a very small space. I think they're about ready to harvest. Then some carrots, zucchini seedlings. Then we've got some more tomatoes. This is actually from seeds taken from a store-bought tomato, so it's going to be interesting how they turn out, if they even fruit at all. Here we've got some melon seedlings going on. Hopefully growing some nice watermelons this year as well. Then we've got our pepper plants. As you can see, they're slowly growing back. We've got some onions. I think those are red onions. And here we've got some space to grow some more stuff for the summer. So that's about it. Thank you for watching, guys, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Go easy.